Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a content creator, student, or professional who's been struggling to transfer your stunning Canva designs into Google Slides, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, we're breaking down an easy, step-by-step process to make this conversion seamless and efficient. Why bother? Well, Canva is great for visuals, but Google Slides is a powerhouse for presentations, especially with its real-time collaboration features. Let's dive in. First things first, open your Canva project on your desktop or app. Make sure your design is finalized. Tweak any text, images, or layouts as needed. Once you're happy, head to the Share button in the top right corner and select Download or Export. For the best results in 2025, choose to export as a PowerPoint file, PPTX. This format preserves most of your elements like text boxes, images, and even some animations. Next, go to your Google Drive. Upload the exported PowerPoint file by clicking the +New button and selecting File Upload. After it's uploaded, right-click the file in Google Drive and choose Open with, then, Google Slides. Voila! Your Canva design should now appear in Google Slides format. Don't worry if things look a bit off. Google Slides might adjust fonts or spacing, so take a moment to review and edit. Now, customize as needed. Add slides, change colors, or insert links directly in Google Slides. One pro tip for 2025. Canva has improved its export options with better compatibility, so if you see any new settings like high-fidelity export, use that for even smoother results. Finally, save your work and share it with your team or audience. There you have it. A quick and painless way to convert Canva to Google Slides. This method will save you hours and keep your presentations looking professional. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.